Hi, this is Barbara with Kaizink, and in an effort to reduce chemicals and reduce products in the workplace, we started using t-shirts when we need to clean the floor. And these are t-shirts that were test shirts or whatever. So we put the t-shirt around here and then brought it around and tucked it in and used it this way to clean the floors. And there was always kind of a problem with it coming off or doing whatever. So I thought it would make life much easier if we reused another product that we have, which is just the ends of rolls of materials that we use. So now we just slip this on the end, pull the t-shirt through and tuck it, and that holds it securely. And the other thing that it does is it allows you to not get your hands dirty and trying to untie a t-shirt at the end of it. Thank you for watching.